guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amalovelyy, and in today's video we are about to do a natural beat. Like today I'm just in the mood to show you guys a natural beat, my go-to. And I feel like I haven't been on here for a while, and there is reasons to that, and I'll get to it in another video. But yes, so we're about to do a natural beat. We're gonna start with the eyebrows, and I'm doing it the old school way. Okay, I'm going with I think it's Black Magic eyebrow pencil in dark brown, and yeah, I'm gonna use this to start my eyebrows with. Lately I've been having like very bad anxiety, and like I do not know why. It's just been getting worse and worse, but sometimes it's like it cools down, but I don't know, it's just not good. The dark brown Black Magic pencils were my thing. Like the front of my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the spoolie from it and just fade out the front of my eyebrows so it won't look too harsh. You see that? You see that fade? What I need is more than one eyebrow brush, because looking for that one, like, it's crazy. Like I need at least 3. And anytime I'm looking for it, like it'll just be like, oh, it's right there, it's right there. You know? And I use the MAC Studio Fix concealer. It's super nice and thick, and that's what I love using. So you guys, my birthday is coming, and for the first time, I'm not doing anything for my birthday. I cannot believe it. Like, I'm not doing nothing. It's my 25th birthday, but it's like, honestly, I'm so tired of celebrating my birthday. Like, it's not even that, like, it's just like, I need to like get my shit like hella together. Even though I am doing it right now, like I just want everything to be done and real focus on it before I continue to enjoy myself. Like I'm not even going on vacation. Like, ugh. And that's even the more saddest part for me, is like me not going on vacation. And you guys already know what December is all about. Vacation in Ghana. December in Ghana. It's lit. You guys, if you guys have never been to Ghana, Africa, go please, because it's lit. Especially Ghana. Especially Ghana. But yeah. And I'm about to get on my skin routine, because a lot of people have been on my skin as well. Like a lot of people do love my skin, always asking what I use, but everyone's skin is different. I legit have I have a sensitive face, and my face is normal to dry. So, but I will show, if you have normal to dry skin and a sensitive face, then I'll definitely be doing a video on what I use very soon. I think I'm gonna go in with some primer. I already know this is like my favorite primer, the MAC Prep and Prime. Hold on.
Well, I'm doing a tutorial, so you have to wait. Yeah, I have my waist trainer on. Okay, bye.
I don't even know if I wanna, like, my skin is getting lighter, because you know it's cold season. So when it comes to cold season, your face gets lighter. I'm gonna be using this new brush set that I got from Walmart, the Real Techniques by Sam and Nick. Super freaking gorgeous. I have to get it. Best brush to use for blush. I love it so much. Like, oh. So yeah, I have to get a second one. I already have this sponge. The sponge is really good, you guys. You guys should get it. I always tell people, like, you guys don't need expensive brushes. Real Techniques from Walmart is there. Like, come on. Get with the program. I don't know what this brush is, but it's super pretty. It's lavender. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like a nice buffer brush. I don't know. The brush I see a lot of people on YouTube use as well. People use this brush, the R200 brush for foundation. That's what we're gonna use right now. Let me just spray some alcohol on it. See how this brush works. I think I like this. That blend it out. Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually love this brush. Cause I always needed a new foundation brush, man. And this is actually for so cheap. So why wouldn't I even enjoy it? I'm joking, no, I actually really enjoy it though. Yeah, this is really pretty. Like my foundation looks super smooth. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Concealer. I'm just gonna apply this all over my under eye. Face setting powder, the MAC one, and I'm just gonna dab some of the powder like right underneath my eye, well, right where we place the concealer. I'm just gonna go right on top of that. Blend everything out together. Brown all over my face. You guys already know my favorite bronzer, the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna spray all over my face. And I'm first gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray, and then after that, I want it to be a little bit more mattifying. So I'm just gonna spray my NYX matte. You know what? I have to contour my nose with my bronzer as well. The reason why, because everything will just blend out so much better that way. Like, do you guys see that? Some lashes. So I'm blinking and I feel like poking. Like, I always say poking this, okay? Okay, now I think it's good. This is my natural look. So I'm not even done. I'm gonna add some lip gloss. I'm going to be adding Chestnut from MAC. And I'm gonna be adding my e.l.f. lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my e.l.f. lip gloss. And I might be adding the Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Vanity, but let's just see how this looks. So far, super pretty. So that brown is pretty. Look a nice natural brown. I'm gonna add some pink to my lips. Oh my god, this is even broken. The stick is even broken, guys. So we gotta hold that down. Very pretty. Now that's a look. That's super pretty. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you guys, I believe that is all for this look right here. Yes. So this is my go-to natural beads. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, I love how it came out. Let me know what you guys think about my natural bead. And you guys, I always let you guys know my girl Comfort in my hair. Her page is Hair by Comfy. I'll probably leave it somewhere here or somewhere here. But yes, my girl Comfort in my hair. I love this look. This is for like a quick, you know, just a quick girls night or a quick dinner night or a movie night. This is my go-to look that I love to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was nice talking to you guys again, and it was nice seeing you guys again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this natural beat. And until next time, guys, bye.